Hello, in this video I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to change your MAC address. So let's go. First, go to the Windows search bar and type for CMD. And then click on Open. Now with the CMD open, you're going to type ipconfig/all. Press Enter. Now look for your physical address. This is your MAC address. Now, go to the Windows search bar again and type for Device Manager. Click on Open. Now, in this list, search for network adapters. Click on it and go to your desired internet adapter. Mine is this one. Click twice. Click Advanced. Now go for Locally Administered Address. You can type 6 numbers from 0 to 9 and 6 letters from A to F, since it is a hexadecimal code. After you are finished, just click OK. Now, go again to the CMD and type one more time for ipconfig/all. Another list will open and search again for physical address. As you can see, mine is changed just as I typed before. Easy as that. Now you have changed your MAC address. For more useful tips on how to use Windows, check this playlist.